The next chapter for Franklin Cummings Tech has begun at our new custom-designed campus in Roxbury. In our state-of-the-art labs and classrooms, we offer hands-on tech and trade education that empowers students to be prepared for and excel in careers on the leading edge of technology. We partner with top employers to connect students with apprenticeships, co-ops, and internships that help them gain priceless work experience while in college. 80% of our grads start careers in their field earning family-sustaining wages. Conveniently located close to students throughout Greater Boston, we offer financing solutions that put college within reach. Here you can pursue programs like Automotive, Cybersecurity, HVAC, Business, and Biotechnology. Join us to enter a world of higher education with lower obstacles at Franklin Cummings Tech.